In this bathroom remodel series, I will show you how to install a new under the sink drain. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name is Andy. This is part of my bathroom remodel series. If you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. First, you will need to buy one of these P-trap drain kits. They typically has everything you need for a new sink drain. Next, open the bag and lay out all your components. Then, take one of these L-shaped pieces and you will be connecting it to this U-shaped piece. First, you'll need to take one of the red gaskets, it's the thinner one, and put it on the L-shaped piece like this. Then screw the L-shaped piece to the U-shaped piece, like this. Next, try to fit it into the drain and see if you need to make any adjustments or cuts. In my case, I had to make a mark to shorten it. I love using these metallic markers that I got from Amazon. They're practically right on anything. I'll have a link in the description below. Use a chop saw or a hand saw to make your cuts. Wash the debris off the piece that was cut to make sure you don't have any contamination in the drain. Next, I had to buy another extension tube piece like this. Then take one of these screw caps and the thicker gasket and install it onto the sink drain pipe. Next, install the tube extension along with the U-shaped piece. Then tighten all the caps and you're set. Subscribe and thanks for watching.